Watch the cat like fucking puke all over the place. Trying to eat the fucking bird.
Well, the bird's dead for sure. This cat is just going to work. I hope this is on record. Okay.
I'm trying to get like a good angle on the bird, but of course the fucking piece of shit cat is eating it. Or trying to.
This cat's like, don't watch me. Oh, whatever. Fuck it.
Angel, is it delicious? Tell me how it is.
We're so bored.
I tried to save the bird, but of course.
You didn't say it, you stepped on its head.
I did it afterwards. Like after it was like fucking like paralyzed.
I wanted to watch my cat destroy this bird alone. This cat's all happy it's loving herself.
I think that means it pissed. I'm pretty sure.
No, I think she would like at least move for that.
You saw the fucking cat come out of nowhere, the fucking bird in his mouth. God damn it.
Like in a way, I was kind of hoping it would get hit. It was so close. Now as we watch, as the feline... Oh, you heard the crunch. It is working.
Dude, your cat is fucking hungry. He's feasting over here. Look at that.
Angel, I demand you to walk back here with that bird. Alright, I'm here with Brendan as my cat. I don't know
Recording this.
I don't know what type it is. Eats this bird. I don't know what type it is either, but I'm gonna call it Yardbird because it is now in the yard.
I'm gonna call it Yardbird.
And it is dead. Thanks to this guy. We didn't get a good view on his face, but who cares? Who cares? It's not that good anyway.
Fucking bird is dead anyway.
Why does this cat like let me get this close to it? Angel, there's nothing to look at. Just continue. Put the stick down.
No, I'm gonna flip over and get a good view of the bird. Yes.
The bird is working.
Hungry. Cat is feasting.
I think you can see its heart.
Cat move, I must see.
Angel.
Oh, what is this?
What is
this?
This is so going up on YouTube. Is that a portal?
Let's get it over here.
You're not going back inside for like a week.
Like my door is staying closed. Stay the fuck out of my room until you puke up that dead bird.
God, don't even look at my iPod with that disgusting mouth you have right now. What the fuck is all over you?
It's like fucking bugs and shit.
Alright, Angel. You're fuzzy, but you're not worth a bunch of fucking bugs.